Io t'amo. Sai l'emozione che mi fa scrivere, la sensazione che mi attanaglia, l'anima che mi completa, la lacrima che mi ferisce. Io t'amo. Il tuo tocco mi fa battere il cuore, il tuo profumo mi tiene in vita, le tue parole mi penetrano, la tua mano mi fa perdere il sonno. Io t'amo.
Lui le disse: "Cosa vuoi come regalo?" Lei rispose: "Solo una cosa, una felicità senza via d'uscita." Lui in silenzio le aprì le dita. "Tieni, questa è la mia vita." Lei sentì forte battere il cuore e si ritrovò le mani sporche d'amore.
After years of being alone and searching for my so-called soulmate, I came across you and felt a love I never felt and do not want to lose. Maybe I stumble across my words, but trust me, I notice all your little quirks, the aggressive and timid sides of you. The faded red string between us is our connection, and the proof of how we are meant to be. This I can say, that I have found my lover, my best friend, my beloved.
Love is enough, though the world be a waning, and the woods have no voice, yet their hands shall not tremble, their feet shall not falter, the void shall not weary, the fear shall not alter these lips and these eyes of the loved and the lover.
I heard there was a secret chord that David played. I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. You don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this, the voice. secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. You don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this, the voice